Hello and welcome you all. Today we are going to learn about mammary glands. Before proceeding, please make sure you have your notes with you. Let's begin with the gross anatomy. We have already seen what is the meaning of gross anatomy. Studying the visible structures that are visible to your naked eyes without using a microscope. For example, when you study the structure of the human heart as a whole organ, that is gross anatomy. But if you study its cells under a microscope, that belongs to histology. So, let's see the branches of it: regional, surface, systemic. These are the branches of gross anatomy. So, in gross anatomy of mammary gland, we are going to study these points: introduction, external features, relations, blood supply and nerve supply. In the introduction, we will study general introduction, situation, extent. Situation means where is it located. Extent means starting point and ending point of the structure. In external features, we are going to study structures. In structures, we have divided two: skin and parenchyma. Skin is again divided into two: nipple and areola. Parenchyma is again divided into three: glandular part, fibrous stroma, fatty stroma. Then in relations, three parts are there: superficial, deep and structures deep to muscles. In superficial, two things you should remember: skin and superficial fascia. In deep, retropectoral fascia and muscles. Muscles, they are again three: pectoral is major, serratus, external oblique. Then structures deep to above muscles. Okay. Now blood supply. Blood supply includes arterial supply and venous drainage. And nerve supply includes sensory and sympathetic and hormonal control. These are the points. We are going to study these points in detail. Humans and other mammals have mammary glands to feed their babies with milk. So, mammary is related to the breast. Gland is nothing but an organ or a group of cells that produces and releases a substance needed by the body. So, largest gland in human body is liver and smallest is the pineal gland. Major glands in human body, they are around 20 to 25. And if you see microscopic glands, they are sweat and sebaceous glands. These are in millions. Humans have about 2 to 4 million sweat glands alone. So just imagine how many glands are there in your body. So gland is nothing but a group of cells or organ that produces and releases a substance needed by the body. So, mammary gland, what is the function of it? It produces milk. It stores milk. It releases milk to feed the baby. So, producing milk, storing milk, releasing milk to feed the baby. These are the functions of a mammary gland. Now, open your notes. Introduction, we have written a general introduction. The point is, it is a modified sweat gland, rudimentary in male, well developed in female after puberty. Rudimentary means it is not fully developed. So in male it is not fully developed, and in females it is well developed after. Now the situation. It is present in the superficial fascia except the tail part, which pierces. Pierces meaning penetrates through. Okay. So which pierces deep fascia of axilla through foramen of Langer. It is called tail of Spence. So tail of Spence meaning it is a small extension of a mammary gland from breast into armpit. Armpit you know very well, it's axilla. Okay. So tail of Spence is the space. It is this space. Okay. It is extended towards what? Towards armpit. Okay. So tail of Spence is nothing but a small extension from breast into armpit. Let's see the extent of it. Vertically, it extends from 2nd to 6th rib. I hope that you know the meaning of vertically. Vertically means in Marathi उभ्या पद्धतीने. ओके, आपण जर बघितलं ते कुठून कुठपर्यंत आहे तर. अँड हॉरिझॉन्टली मीन्स आडव्या याच्याने. So vertically it extends from 2nd to 6th rib. Horizontally it extends from the lateral border of sternum to mid-axillary line.